GT-R is passion. We're coming on 50 years of GT-R, and it's like I got this flashback of all of the great things about GT-R. I was at the Geneva Motor Show about a year ago. I get a call to come to the ITALDESIGN booth, and they had a proposition. We're discussing making a custom GT-R to celebrate the history of GT-R. And how do you take this Italian carrozzeria spirit with this Japanese science, borderline science fiction culture of GT-R? And that's how it kind of started.
As we're Italians and we have a very emotional brand, I think it's very important to cooperate with partners that you really, really like. And then when both are turning 50, it's very, very special.
デザイナーはもう目のプロジェクトだと思いますよ。これはものすごい重度が高い車ですね。広いアイデアが出てきたんですよ。新規性の高いデザインからそのタイムレスにビューティーにいった幅広いアイデアが出てきて、で結果的にこれやったのは当然両立してるやつなんですよ。
The brutality of GT-R, of the power of Japanese technology and the Japanese love of racing. This is the things that we really wanted to celebrate.
GT-R ニスモをベースに作るんですけども、車を作るときにパネルをカットしてそこに新しいフレームを付き足してもうほとんど手作りでシャシーを組んでいくわけですけども、手作りなんだけど精度がすごいいいんですよ。
It acts like a supercar, but it's a car that has mass. So the designers really studied about how to get this density of presence. We designed this kind of opening, almost catfish-like grille that the current GT-R has, and that the whole car starts to fold out of that first gesture. The way the rear end is cut away and exposing this all gold, foil, metallic, alloy rear, I think is so cool because it has this car inside of a car feeling.
デザイン的な意味でもさっき言った設計製造要件でも無理をすることに慣れてんだと思いますよ。テールランプが浮いてたりとかトランクを潰しちゃってるとか、あと空力で C ピラーに穴開けてダクト抜いてるとかね。
I like especially the wing of it and the dynamics from the front and from the front lights.
Just a perfect circle, that's GT-R signature, and it's very advanced and very technical, but still the romantic image of GT-R.
It's a very rare breed that is out there.
What I love is the purity of an idea coming to life.